So a few days ago, Sony created an update for FX3, which is version 6, and FX30, which is version 5. So in that update, they introduced the shutter angle to those cameras, and they added some little features like creating the markers if you're actually shooting something, just to make sure you remember some important shots, and you can do it after the shooting is done. And they also added a profile 709 tone or tone. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can update your FX3 and FX30 using the Creators app, but also simple SD card. Let's jump in. Okay, here I have an iPad Pro and FX3. And again, anything that I'm doing right now on the iPad, you can do the same thing on the phone. The only thing that you have to do is just make sure to download the Creators app, which I'll be talking about this Creators app in the other video, and I will link the video about this application on the top right corner or in the description below. And when you are in the app, you can choose to operate your camera, and that's where you can select from all the cameras that you connected to this app. And as you can see, I have FX3, so I'll switch to this camera, and then what it does is simply connects via Bluetooth. And make sure that your camera Bluetooth is on and is available to pair. And right here on the bottom you can see the update. Obviously it will tell you same exact features what is going to show you on the website, and we click next, of course agreeing to whatever it is they offer us, because without it you're not going to get that upgrade. And it start downloading the file onto the phone, or in this case iPad. And as you can see, that's the first step out of 3. The file size is 771 megabytes. Now it's all downloaded, so you can simply click transfer to the camera. And now we wait. After a while, and the second process is transferring the actual files onto the camera. And then you are greeted with this body update setting where it says, would you like to update? So as you can see, you can scroll through all the way down, and then when you do scroll all the way down, then it will actually allow you to execute, because I guess it thinks that you read the whole thing. Make sure that you do not touch your camera or shut it off. So we're going to skip this part. I actually waited exactly 3 minutes 49 seconds if you're interested in that. And that's it. Your camera is updated to 6.0. And of course my cat absolutely loves the Apple Pencil. Now you see you have shutter speed and shutter angle that you can choose from. So now I'm going to show you with my FX30 a couple of different methods, which is going to be involve the actual SD card and your computer. So you need just a regular SD card, plug it into your computer, go to Sony's website, or you can just go to Google and type in FX30 or FX3 software update. And as you can see, the second line is going to be the firmware update. So if you don't have one of the latest versions, they advise you to go ahead from whatever you have currently to download and update your camera first, and then do the same process and download to get the version 5 or 6 if you have FX3. So mine is on version 4, and I just go ahead and click download the file. And also I wanted to let you know that I tried to download that file directly onto the SD card, and for some reason it would not allow me to. Maybe yours would. I have to download this file onto my desktop, and then from the desktop I just simply drop it onto SD card. Now eject the SD card from your laptop or desktop and plug it into your camera. And make sure your camera's battery is full, or at least halfway full. And again, it goes through the same process. You just simply go to your version, which is going to be your toolbox, your software version, and then you're greeted with the update button. And here it only took me 2 minutes and 37 seconds to update this FX30. Body update complete, and now you have all the promised features of that version. You can see that shutter angle, and now you see this new profile 709 By the way, I'm actually right now on one of the other cameras, I'm shooting that 709 tone. So I'm kind of curious what it looks like, but I will do some more testings about that profile and see what it looks like outside, if it's even good enough as far as the skin tones, because they say it's going to be somewhere close to what the Buranos and all the FX6s are shooting. So I hope this video helped you to install the software step by step with me onto your camera. If you have any questions, ask them down below in the comment box. Hope you liked the video. If you do, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next video. See ya.